Hey guys, this is Alex from MarketWise Asia, and in this video, just going to share with you how I get paid while waiting to buy Alibaba. So as usual, right, this video is just for information and educational purpose. It is not a recommendation to tell you what to buy or sell. Definitely not financial advice. So please do your own due diligence. Okay. So if you have been following my Facebook Live, you will know that I always say I don't like to buy and hold a falling knife. I only want to buy when the trend has told me that it has gone into an uptrend. But right now, Alibaba, it is still firmly in a downtrend because it is still below the cloud downtrend and it also below the central pivot range. So let's go over to the chart right now and have take a look at Alibaba over here. So let me hide this thing over here first. Okay, so this is the chart of Alibaba. So this is the US listing. So it's BABA under the ticker BABA. So as you can see here, right, I think for the past 1 week or so, to me, the price has been pretty ridiculous. From this recent high over here, right, it has actually fallen about to the low about 25% already. Okay, and as you can see, when price has been going down, the volume is actually picking up, it's getting higher and higher, and the red bar is getting bigger and bigger as well. All right, it's getting bigger. So this shows me that there could be a potential sell-off climax. Okay, so it is climactic already. So it could be a potential bottom in the short term. In the short term, it doesn't mean that this is the absolute bottom. This could be a short-term bottom, and there could be a rebound in the coming days or weeks. So this is to stress that this is might not be the definite bottom, but a short-term bottom, and there could be a technical rebound in the coming days. All right, so and at the point in time, yesterday price actually fell to 150 plus, and towards the end, it actually rebounded to about $160. So yesterday was up about 2%, and I actually felt that it was pretty oversold. Okay, so I've decided, while waiting, all right, to buy Alibaba. Okay, so how I define uptrend is very simple. So this is my way of defining uptrend over here, the cloud plus the central pivot range over here. All right, so I want to see at least the central pivot range price to be above the central pivot range. Okay, can you see that price has always been most of the time been below the central pivot range over here, the green dotted line. So this coming new month, September, I believe that the central pivot range is somewhere around here. If I really want to buy, I will want to wait for price at least to above the central pivot range, and in the long term to be at least above the cloud. Then I will define that Alibaba will be in an uptrend. So in a downtrend, I definitely don't want to hold Alibaba or buy Alibaba because I am not a buy and hold investor, and I'm not willing to tie up my capitals and to wait for a few years, okay, for it to turn. All right, so in that case, right, but I also think that it is pretty oversold recently. So while waiting for Alibaba to turn, okay, I am actually selling put options contract. Okay, I'm selling put options contract, which means that I'm willing to pick up Alibaba to buy the underlying stocks at certain price. So in that case, for my example, I'm not sure whether you guys can see over here in this wording over here. Let me try to increase the text over here to 24. All right, so I actually sell two put option contract at $95 strike price. The day to expiry it is 25 days, which means that until 17th of September 2021, that's about mid-September. And just to take note, right, one contract in the US options is 100 shares. All right, so if it's two contract, right, it is worth 19,000 USD. So to give you a context, right, $95 strike price, it is here. Okay, can you see the red dotted line over here? This is $95. Okay, so which means that within the next 25 days for price to hit $95, right, it is another drop of about 40%. Okay, which is another drop 40%. And which means that if price really hit $95 by 17 September 2021, I'll be more than happy to pick up Alibaba stocks at $95, which means, okay, if it is really at $95, okay, let me remove this smaller, okay, from the top to $95, that would be a drop of about 70%. Okay, based on the mathematical options pricing, all right, it is about 5 delta, DELTA, which means there's a 5% chance within the next month that you hit $95. So there's still a small possibility that price would hit $95, 5% chance, okay, which means that it's a 95% chance that price will not hit $95. If price really hit $95, then I will pick up the stocks. And how much do I get paid while selling this options contract? So let's take a look at the Think or Swim. This is my brokerage account using TD Ameritrade. You guys see over here. All right. So I sold 2 BABA options contract. At the point in time, it is 153 yesterday. All right. So the strike price is $95. It's a put contract. At the point in time, one contract is $1.44. Okay. So which means that one contract I'll be getting $144 of premiums. So if I sold 2 contracts, then I'll be getting $288 of premium before the commission. Okay, so let's go back to the chart again. So while waiting for Alibaba to go into an uptrend, all right, so I sold a put options and I get paid $288. All right, so if price really hit down to $95 within the next 25 days, then I'll be more than happy to pick up the stock. So this is more like a cash secure put option. So I have the money ready to buy Alibaba, because when I sell options contract, I have the obligation to buy at a certain price. In this case, this is $95. Okay, so I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. So meantime, do I think price will hit $95? Personally, I don't think it will hit $95 now, because I know that many people actually bought Alibaba at about $200 price region. So if it hit $95, right, which means their account is already down more than 50% already. So is it possible? It is possible, but I doubt so. Nevertheless, this is just taking a bet. Okay, so this is what I do. So I hope you guys are finding useful. All right, so I understand that options it's not that easy to understand for some people, or there are some people who might not have the knowledge on options. Okay, so but just treat it just more like a case study. If you understand, then good for you. If you don't understand, you might want to read up more on options. Essentially, options is like selling insurance. So in the event, like for example, life insurance, if I die, insurance company will give me a payout. So if I never die, insurance company, all right, will take my premium. For example, if you buy a life insurance, you pay $2,000 yearly. So if nothing happens to me, the insurance company will take the $2,000 from you every single year. So in this case, for the options, if there's no event happening, the event is $95 strike price, right? If nothing happens, then I will get the $288 of premiums. I hope you guys understand that. Okay, so this is what I do, right? While waiting to buy Alibaba, I sell put options contract to get paid, okay, to get the insurance premium, something like this. Okay, and before I end this video, I also want to share with you that the upcoming, we also have this Asia Trading Festival over here. All right, so this is happening on the 9th and 10th October. All right, do register for this event, pre-register for this event right now. Let me try to zoom in over here. And you also get to receive a bonus report, top growth companies to watch when it is ready. So I'm still compiling this report. When it is ready, I will send this report to you. All right, so you can see the link on the screen below over here. And if you're watching this on YouTube, right, you should see the link in the description. And if you're watching this on Facebook, you should see this link on the comments on YouTube, in the comments section. So do register for this event. Prof Chan and Lauren Templeton will be speaking. All right, these two are very prominent investors. Okay, So it has been a long time since I've seen Prof Chan already. So it is a very good time, timely event, because the Chinese stocks is free falling recently. So this is a good time for Prof Chan to talk about the whole market. All right, so do catch him, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Thank you very much.